All right, boys, if you guys are like me, you've been waiting months for what's inside this box right here. And what's inside this box will change your ETM RTR forever. This is the Electro Co Revolver motor for your ETM RTR. Now, if you haven't heard of this beast already, this is the more heat tolerant, faster, and 420 chain capable motor that everyone wants in their bike. And here it is, the star of the show, the Revolver motor. Take a look at how big it is compared to the motor that we're about to take out. Install is super easy by just unplugging the 3-phase wires and your hall sensor, unmounting your old motor, loosening up that rear wheel. Then from there you could throw on your rear motor mounting bracket and your front. Pop that old sprocket off and throw on your new one. Gotta make sure you clean up the hub a little bit though. Tighten down those bolts. Throw the new motor in there and tighten it down. Get that rear wheel on there so that we can put on our new 420 chain. Adjust the chain tension. Tighten down that rear wheel and we're good to go. This is insane.
What's that hanger on it?
I think it's a stick. Hey!
No.
Hold up, I got you. Alright boys, we're out here. We got the ETM RTR with the new Revolver Alpha Motor on. We got the old ETM RTR. We got Jay Lucy on it. Give me a fist bump. Okay. Oh dude, this thing feels so sick. Look at this squad we got right now, dude. Hell yeah, we got John on the 6.7 kit with a high-speed motor. Hell yeah. You guys go.
Make a box, that's it.
I know, but we're good. Oh yeah, we're going all the way up there, boys. Oh! Yeah! Dude, this is straight hard enduro. Pit bike hard enduro. Oh! Oh, rock garden. Let's go! Oh my god, boys, look at this. Hell yeah! This is lit! You guys are... Whoa, dude. Alright guys, we're entering the mine. We're gonna try to. Looks like everyone's too much of a baby. Who's coming?
Dumb slippery.
It is, but you'll be chilling. There's an animal, look out! Oh man, it gets so cold down here. Whoa, dude, this is so sick. See, we've been all the way down there, but I don't know if I feel comfortable going down there alone. All right, I want to go to the bottom. Who's coming? See, it might not look that crazy on camera, but that is like, let's give it a toss. And right there is only like the base. So it goes all the way in there. Let's see. Well, there's the mine, boys. We had to ditch the boys over at James's house. Now we're back on the Sport. This thing feels so good paired with a 6.7 kit. So if you have an RTR Sport, this is definitely the kit that you're gonna want. All you hear is road noise from my big ass tires on this thing. Whoop, can't go that way. All right, let's see how well this Revolver can enduro. Pulling right through it. Oh yeah. This thing is absolutely getting after it. Through the rock section. Scale the side of this. This is the real test right here. Oh, dude, this thing is just absolutely eating. Oh, dude, we got another down tree. How did I not just see that? Now, I don't want to go any further up right now because I feel like I might see... Oh, there's hikers right here. How are you guys? What's up, puppy?
What is that, the ETM RTR?
Yeah, it is. You guys hear me talking about it?
No, I didn't know the bike.
We're doing a Revolver motor install.
I've been wanting to get a Lard.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I ride moto. I want to go electric. I have a 110L, but I feel like after a while, like I don't want to piss the neighbors.
Yeah.
I want to go electric.
This is definitely the bike for it, dude.
What, you put a different battery in this?
Yeah, this thing's got a bigger battery, the motor, the controller, FX throttle, all bigger suspension too, a little bit stiffer.
This is sick. What's the range like on this?
I mean, I probably just rode it about 3 miles on the road, 92%. 3 miles on the road and then ripping it up this trail, it's like another like mile-ish. And then if you guys said there's no one back there, then I'm about to keep going all the way to the lake.
Oh yeah, we just went to the
Yeah, that's all right. So since he said there's no one up here, I guess that means we're safe to continue our journey. This Revolver motor is certified insane. Oh yeah. Beautiful, kinda. It's just blocked by a bunch of trees. Now it's kinda beautiful. Now I gotta... Oh my God. Well, that happened. All right, boys, so I guess it's safe to say that the Revolver upgrade is a total must. We got a discount code JMR5 if you guys want to save on any of the parts that are on this bike, like the suspension, the motor, the controller, the high bars, and even go get yourself a gut seat cover. This motor is sick, dude. Totally upgraded the feeling, the torque, the power, and the long range, I think. And the reason I say the long range is realistically because it's more heat tolerant. I don't really know if that makes a big difference, but it feels like it kind of did. We just rode a solid 4 or 5 miles of hard enduro riding. Bike's only at 87%, and it wasn't even full. It was at like 96, I think. That's pretty good in my opinion. But for now, we're gonna enjoy this view a little bit. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.